Hello everyone, my name is Gavi Alferi and today we will discuss organizational development and organizational culture. Two are important concepts in industrial and organizational psychology that play a major role in increasing the effectiveness and sustainability of the organization. These two concepts focuses on how organization develop through the management of people, system, and shared values. Context of industrial psychology, organizational development and organizational culture become strategic tools to create a healthy, adaptive, and productive work environment. Organizational development can be interpreted as a planned and systematic process that aims to improve the organization's ability to solve problems and adapt to change. This process is based on the application of behavioral science, especially psychology, to change the attitudes, value, and behavior of individuals and groups in the organization. With the approach of industrial and organizational psychology, organizational development not only focuses on change in structure or work system, but also on change in human behavior as the main actor in the organization. This organizational development emphasizes the importance of scientifically designed intervention on data and in-depth analysis. This intervention can be in the form of training, team development, communication improvement, to leadership change. Industrial psychology plays a role in helping organizations understand employees' psychological reaction to change, such as resistance, stress, or decreased motivation. With this understanding, organizations can design a change strategy that is more effective and minimize conflict. With the development of the organization, organizational culture becomes an integral element in industrial and organizational psychology. Organizational culture reflects the system of value, norms, beliefs, and ways of thinking that are shared by members of the organization. This culture is formed through continuously social interaction and becomes a guideline for employees in behaving and making decisions in the work environment. On employee attitude, motivation, and performance. In the perspective of industrial psychology, organizational culture play a role as a psychological framework that shapes the organization identity. A positive culture can create a sense of belonging, increase commitment, and encourage employee involvement in achieving organization goals, in achieving organizational goals. On the other hand, a culture that is negative or not in harmony with individual values can cause conflict, reduce job satisfaction, and increase employee turnover rates. Therefore, understanding the organizational culture is very important in human resource management. The relationship between organizational development and organizational culture is mutually influencing. Effective organizational development cannot be done without considering the existing culture, structural change, or work system that are not in the line with the value and norms of the organization often experience rejection from employees. In this case, industrial psychology helps organizations analyze the compatibility between the purpose of change and organizational culture, so that the development process can run more smoothly and sustainably. Industrial and organization psychology emphasize the importance of leadership roles in shaping and developing organizational culture. Leaders have a great influence in instilling organizational value through behavior, policies, and leadership style that are applied. Leaders who are consistent between words and action will strengthen the organization culture, while inconsistency can weaken employee trust. Therefore, leadership development is an important part of organizational development efforts. In the era of globalization and rapid technological change, organizational development and organizational culture are becoming increasingly relevant. Organizations are required to be more flexible, innovative, and responsive to environmental change. Industrial and organizational psychology helps organizations create a culture that supports learning, collaboration, and adaptation. Such as culture allow the organizational to survive and thrive in increasingly fierce competition. In addition to improving organizational performance, organizational development, and organizational culture also play a role in maintaining the psychological well-being of employee. A supportive, open, and individual respecting work environment can reduce work stress level and increase work-life satisfaction and balance. Thus, industrial psychology not only contributes to the achievement of organizational goals, but also to the quality of work life and employees. In conclusion, organizational development and organizational culture are key concepts in industrial and organizational psychology that focus on changing management and the formation of positive work value. Through a psychological approach, organization can develop a system and culture that support employee performance, adaptation, and well-being. By understanding and applying this concept appropriately, organization can achieve sustainability long-term success. Okay, thank you.